CO2 incubator operation video. Assemble the accessories. The HECBA filter module is inserted into the mounting frame. Hook the filter's pin into the chamber wall slot to secure it. Disinfect the chamber before installing this module for the first time. Place the tray under the humidification outlet for collecting droplet. Place the shelf racks on both sides of the chamber. Place the shelves on the shelf racks. Close the inner chamber door and latch it, then close the door before incubating. Fill the reservoir with sterile distilled water. Connect one end of the tube to the reservoir connector. Connect the other end to the connector at the back of the incubator. Put the tube clamp on one end of the gas tube. Connect the tube into the CO2 inlet of the incubator. Tighten the clamp securely to ensure no leakage. Put the tube clamp on the other end of the gas tube. Tighten the clamp securely to ensure no leakage. For 6 mm gas supplies, use a 6 to 8 mm adapter to connect. Tighten the clamp securely to ensure no leakage. Software operation. Switch on the incubator. Key in the username and the password. Tap Enter to log in. Only admin can have access permission to manage the user accounts, like creating or delete user accounts. Program settings. Tap the Temp tab to set the parameters. Toggle on the parameters and adjust the values. Tap Save to save the temp settings. Tap the CO2 tab to set the parameters. Tap Save to save the settings. For Tri-Gas model, tap the O2 tab to set the parameters. Tap Save to save the settings. Tap the Humidity tab to set the parameters. Tap Save to save the settings. Disinfection. Edit disinfection temperature, disinfection time and cool down time before starting the disinfection cycle. Go to Disinfection interface and follow the instructions to prepare for high temperature disinfection. Open the chamber door for 30 seconds. This is to make sure the door sensor is working. Then take out the water tray, shelf sand racks and the HECBA filter to clean or replace. After taking out all the accessories, tap Continue to the next step. Next step will be cleaning the chamber surface with 75% ethanol and cloth towel to remove the stains and droplets. Put back the accessories except for the HECBA filter module, then put back the clean stands and drip tray. Tap Continue to the next step, then close all the doors and tap Start Disinfection to start disinfecting the incubator. This monitors real-time and preset temperatures. The countdown starts at reaching the target temperature. Calibration. To perform calibration, tap Settings and then tap Calibration. Tap on the sensor you want to calibrate, and follow the instructions in the user manual. System settings. System settings allow users to adjust basic parameters like time, display, and door alarms. For Tri-Gas model, O2 module can be turned off and the icon display will disappear from the main interface. Adjustable maintenance reminders are available for filter, CO2 sensor and incubation runtimes. Viewing run logs and graphs. The log menus includes alarm log, device log, and run statistic. The alarm log tracks faults and supports USB export. The operation log provides detailed user audit trails, and also supports USB export. Run statistics provides set and run time for incubating, filter life, and sensor life. Tap graphs to view the temperature, CO2, humidity or O2 sensor operating graphs. Switch tabs to view the graphs in the last 2 hours, 24 hours, last 7 days or last month. There are 4 feet on the top for stacking another incubator.